Ladies and gentlemen, this is a message from your friendly captain. I call this demolition dumpster time. I highly suggest we don't do any of this at home unless you're stupid, because if you are, you're going to need insurance like this State Farm one. I don't need it right now. Have you ever wondered how to stop a high-speeding, fast vehicle when you're a police officer? It's simple. You drop the hammer on him. You ever hear the song "Video Killed the Radio Star"? It did. Woo! Speaking of video, our next guest is a 50-inch wannabe plasma screen TV. Hold on, let me make sure I got the shot. Oh yeah. Let me just reiterate something to you. You know, sometimes the only way to get the point across is to look at the front of the issue, see, like this, and just let it know. You know, sometimes you can talk to it, sometimes you can bargain with it. In my perspective, sometimes you just have to go at it like General George S. Patton would, very calmly. And head on. Big ass up here into the... This one's for Triple H. Damn, they made these things sturdy. Come. I believe this to be the speakers, you know, for your crappy surround sound. But if you're going to update them, you're going to do some modifications. The on and off button. When you're sitting on that couch and you don't want to get up, well, use the redneck way. Yeah, just turn the volume up. Let's go on over here. Let's see what holds this thing together. That's very pointless. That's some neat shit, and dangerous shit too. Yahtzee. Yahtzee. I dropped the bomb on you, baby. I think that one's much funner.
There he is.
Ooh. Now, we see these three. That's what gives you the picture. One of these comes out. Not sure which one. One of them is. Hold on a second. And guys, let me be the first one to tell you, you got a TV like that, you got the wrong picture. Now we have all your various hookups for your cable, power, your game systems and everything. You get some speakers up here for surround sound. I think it's got enough surround sound as it is, don't you? Kind of warm out here. Would use a fan. That kind of broke too.